I was leaving town, didn't want her hanging around, but every time she starts to go, looky, looky, mama, please don't go. Hey, baby, doompa, doompa, doompa.
You are listening to the sounds of Salford rock and roll with Ian Cullen.
Next up, Bernie Early with Your Kisses Kill Me.
Oh, your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Hey, your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Oh, you hug me, thrill me, but your kisses kill me, oh my. Come on, honey, hold me tight. Kiss me, baby, every night. Run your fingers through my hair. Won't you let me know you care? Your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Oh, your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Hey, your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Well, you hug me, feel me, but your kisses kill me, oh my. Each time that we go on a date, I can just anticipate the very taste of your every kiss. I never knew it could feel like this. Your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Oh, your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Hey, your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Oh, you hug me, thrill me, but your kisses kill me, oh my. Tomorrow we'll go out once more, kiss you like I did before. I'm not afraid to take a chance, I don't mind dying for romance. The kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Hey, your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die. Hey, your kisses kill me, what a wonderful way to die.
Next up, we got Aubrey Cagle with Rockabilly Boy.
Well, rockabilly boy dressed up real neat, going to a dance that rocked your beat. Real cool cat, has no lie, not used to lullaby. Well, rockabilly boy tonight. Well, rockabilly, shake that joint tonight. Well, rock on down. Come on, rock Billy, and show me how. Swing, sway, dance everywhere. Do the jitterbug till the break of day. It ain't rockabilly, it ain't just shoot away. Well, dancing at a party is mighty swell. Dance to a waltz, you can never tell just how to start to swing and sway. Watch rockabilly rock away. We'll rockabilly board up tight. We'll rockabilly, baby, shake that floor tonight. We'll rock on down. Come on, rockabilly, and show me how. Swing, swing, dance everywhere. Do the jitterbug till the break of day. It ain't rockabilly, it ain't just you away. Party is mighty swell. Dance to a waltz you can never tell just how to start to swing and sway. Watch rockabilly rock away. We'll rockabilly boy tonight. We'll rockabilly, baby, shake that floor tonight. We'll rock on down. Come on, rockabilly, and show me how. Swing, swing, dance everywhere. Do the jitterbug till the break of day. It ain't rockabilly, it ain't just you.
Next up, I've got the Barker Brothers with Hey Little Mama.
Hey little mama, come and do the bopper with me.
You came to this record hop with me. You did the chicken with my friend Jim, but it wasn't his quarter that got you in. Hey, little mama, come and do the papa with me. Hey, little mama, come and do the papa with me. You came to this record hop with me. You your lips with the Joe and Lou, but they ain't spent a nickel on you. Hey, little mama, come and do the papa with me. I bought you a Coke and a candy bar, it's true. I got 35 cents invested in you. What you gonna do now? Hey, little mama, come and do the papa with me. You came to this record hop with me. You did the stroll with Bill and Lee. Now you're too tired to dance with me. Well, hey, little mama, come and do the papa with me. I bought you a Coke and a candy bar, it's true. I got 35 cents invested in you. What you gonna do now? Your little mama, come and do the papa with me. You came into this record hop with me. You did the stroll with Bill and Lee. Now you're too tired to dance with me. Well, hey, little mama, come and do the papa with me. Hey, little mama, come and do the papa with me.
Coming up next, Boba Ford with Lindy Lou.
Well, I got a pretty, pretty little girl. Say, I got a pretty, pretty little girl. Yeah, pretty little, pretty, pretty, pretty little girl. Well, alright. Well, I love this pretty little girl. Yeah, I love this pretty little girl. Alright. Yeah, pretty little girl. Well, my Lindy Lou, Lindy Lou, Lindy Lou, Lindy Lou, well, Lindy Lou, oh, Lindy Lou. Well, pretty little, pretty Lindy Lou. Well, alright. Well, someday I'm married Lindy Lou. Alright. Well, someday I'm married Lindy Lou. Yeah, pretty little, pretty Lindy Lou. Alright, yeah, now. Someday I'm married Lindy Lou. Alright. Yeah, someday I'm married Lindy Lou. Yeah, pretty little Lindy Lou. Yeah, pretty little Lindy Lou. Yeah, pretty little Lindy Lou.
And coming up next, I've got the Bell Furies with Hey Mr. Locomotive.
Well, it starts like clockwork every night at 11:42. As I lay my head down to sleep, my mind drifts back to you. It ain't nowhere happening, baby. In fact, it happens all over the world. A million poor old saps are crying by how they gave up on once in a million girl. Yeah, if I had a nickel for every fool I know who gave up on love, then ended up with someone who was nowhere to compare, and maybe no one near half as good. I'd build a big old freight train a rolling and holler, Mr. Conductor, get me going on the right track. Yeah, but the simple truth is all the nickels, dimes, and dollars couldn't bring my baby back, and that's why I'm locomotive, can you give me some support? Get me home to my beautiful bride. Seems that I jumped the track a little ways back. That temptation caught me hitching a ride. I done got rid of all my baggage, and I'm as free as the wind blowing outside. Yeah, but I give it all up to see my buttercup and let her know that my Roman days are gonna die. Yeah, my Roman days are gonna die. Caught me hitching a ride. I done got rid of all my baggage, and I'm as free as the wind blowing outside. Yeah, but I give it all up to see my buttercup and let her know that my Roman days are gonna die. Hey, Mr. Locomotive. Hey, Mr. Locomotive. Hey, Mr. Locomotive. Hey, Mr. Locomotive.
Coming near to the end of the show now, so let's get ourselves ready with a bit of Aubrey Cagle and let's have a bop and stroll.
We went to a dance the other night, them cats were rocking with all their might. They're doing the bop and stroll, they're doing the bop and stroll. Baby, baby, let's bop and stroll tonight. It's Saturday night, I got my baby, I'm telling you cats it on me, baby. We're doing the bop and stroll, we're doing the bop and stroll. Baby, baby, let's bop and stroll tonight. Bop and stroll tonight. We'll show them cats how to rock if they wanna roll it high. We're doing the bop and stroll, we're doing the bop and stroll. Baby, baby, let's bop and stroll tonight. On me, baby, we're doing the pop and stroll. We're doing the pop and stroll. Baby, baby, let's pop and stroll tonight. It's 6 times 6 is 36. Come on, baby, let's do this. We're doing the pop and stroll. We're doing the pop and stroll. Baby, baby, let's pop and stroll tonight.
Just leaves me enough time to say that's it for this week. We'll see you again this time next week. Take care of yourselves.
That was wonderful.
Bravo!
I loved that.
Oh, it was great.
Well, it was pretty good.
Well, it wasn't bad.
Well, there were parts of it that weren't very good, though.
It could have been a lot better.
I didn't really like it.
It was pretty terrible.
It was bad.
It was awful.
It was terrible.
Get him away!
Hey, boo!
Boo!